Hello guys, today I got sent this 62-inch ceiling fan. Let's unbox it and let me show you what comes inside. Inside the box we're going to find the instruction manual. We're going to find 8 of these blades. We're going to find the cap that goes on our ceiling fan. We're going to find all the hardware bolts and plastic connectors needed for the installation. We're going to find the module and our remote control for our ceiling fan. We're going to find 2 sizes of rods, okay? We're going to find a 6-inch and a 12-inch. We're going to find our light cap, okay? This is glass. We're going to find the bracket for our ceiling fan and also the cover for the bracket, the LED lights and the cover for the ceiling fan. And finally, we're going to find our ceiling fan motor. Installation of this ceiling fan is very simple. First, you're going to decide which rod you're going to be using, either the 6-inch or the 12-inch. Then you're going to get this cap and you're going to put it inside the rod. Next, you're going to get this other smaller cap and you're going to also put it inside the rod. Then you're going to get the wiring and you're going to pass it through the rod. Then you're going to secure the rod. Once you finish passing the wiring through the rod and securing the rod, then you're ready to mount the ceiling fan motor to the bracket installed on the ceiling. The wiring in this ceiling fan is very essential. You just have a white and a black cable that you need to connect to your pre-existing wiring in your house, and the green cable simply to the ground. We're finished wiring. Now we're going to put this box on top of our bracket, and we're going to now connect the cables that we passed through earlier. To install the fan blades, it's really simple. It's just 3 screws. We're going to have to repeat the same process. To install our light fixture is very simple. We already have the screws already pre-installed, and we have these 2 cables, the blue and the white one. We're going to connect them to each one of the cables, matching its own color. The last step in order to finish this installation is installing this glass shade. Very simple. We're going to just put it into the fixture and we're going to twist it. We finished installing our 62-inch ceiling fan, and it definitely gives a very modern look to this bedroom. You can install it in a barn, in the living room, in a family room, just anywhere where you want to install it. I mean, preferably on a larger room. The ceiling fan can reach 7,200 CFMs. With the 8 blades that it has, it provides a lot of ventilation and airflow around the room. The ceiling fan has the ability to go on a reverse direction just by pressing the reverse function. Also, the blades are plastic, which can guarantee a longer life for your ceiling fan. Also, compared to aluminum, this one's unbent or deformed. The ceiling fan also features an adjustable light just by pressing the button. Now, with this remote control, you can also set a timer from 1 hour, 3 hours, and 6 hours. It has a ventilation mode, and you can turn it off with 1 button. Well, I hope that the information about this ceiling fan was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.